Hey guys, thought I'll just hop on here right quick and talk to you about mobile home investing and the lessons that I've learned that you can learn from gardening. Now, what does mobile home investing have to do with gardening? Well, guys, if you're into reading the Bible talks about this principle of the seed, you reap what you sow. Talks about seed and fruit, bearing good fruit. Just different examples like that. And that applies also, if that applies in the spiritual, not to get too spiritual on you guys, but if it applies in the spiritual, the same principles apply in business and in everything that you do in life. So the reason why I'm talking about this concept is because my wife, she loves okra. Down here in Louisiana, she's this is a vegetable that they love down here, that they put in gumbos and all types of stuff like that. I mean, you can do many different things with okra, but I've been helping her grow this garden for the last 2-3 years, and the principles that I'm learning from planting this garden is that if you plant seeds and you tend to it, you nourish it, you water it, it's going to produce a good fruit. It's going to produce a good crop. Look at these. I mean, some of them are, you see the flowers on them. Some of them are still, they're starting to grow. Some I picked this morning. Some of them not fully mature yet, but they're getting there. But look how tall they're growing. Look how tall these things are growing. But guys, what you can learn from this is that, especially in mobile home investing, what I want you guys to take away from this is every day you should be planting seeds. And what I mean by planting seeds, it's seeds is marketing. Every day you should be putting out your Craigslist ads, or renewing your Craigslist ads, putting posts on Facebook. You're riding around or you're going to work. When I used to go to work, at least once a week on my trip to work, I'd have bandit signs in my vehicle, and in the morning I would just put a sign out. If I'm sitting at the light or something like that, I'll just hop out my truck, put a sign on the side of the road. And how I get to my job is I have to get off the interstate, and I'll talk to you guys about the bandit sign secrets about putting signs on the side of the interstate. So that's important, guys. But just little things like that, just planting these seeds each and every day, and I promise you, you will reap a reward. It has to happen, guys. It has to happen. So each and every day, just plant these seeds, because you never know when it's going to mature, when it's going to produce that good fruit. You just have to plant the seed. That's it, guys. And that's whether if you're calling parks, when you're driving for dollars, handing out your cards, talking to park managers, leaving your numbers with them. You're just planting that seed of letting people know what you do. And you'll never know when you get a call. That's why, like for us, we're not too concerned about deals as far as getting certain deals, because we've planted so much seeds. We have so many marketing pieces out there that we know it's just a matter of time before someone calls. And again, that's something that we teach in the book. Check out the link. But guys, I thought that it was important. If you plant seeds, you will reap a harvest. And that's, if it's true in the physical world and in the agricultural world, it's true in the business world. It's true. Think about it when you're exercising. You're working out every day. You're going to get results. You see results. If you change your diet, eating a certain thing, you're going to see results. And it's the same thing with mobile home investing. Plant those seeds, take action, massive action, and you're going to get those results. So I thought this was important, guys, and I just want to encourage you to keep planting those seeds each and every day. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one.